Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya and I hope you are all doing well at your home. So you know what, today I stand here to address a common topic which is very famous in market about the laying of 12,000 employees in TCS company. So as a proud employee of the TCS, I just want to provide you some clarity on laying off the 12,000 employees from the TCS organization. You know what, guys? TCS is one of those largest MNCs which offers a good work-life balance to its employee, and I think not only provides the work-life balance but also it is the most employee-friendly company. Since I have worked in multiple MNCs, like I'm not going to take name of all those MNCs, but I found the TCS is much far better than all those companies which push their employees to work over weekends and even without any fair compensation, and even though they keep on pushing employees to serve work over 16 to 19 hours. Do you really think is it really worth our time to spend on the organization to provide the delivery to the customer only? क्या हमारी खुद की लाइफ नहीं है क्या? What we are doing outside our organization, we all have our personal life. So I find that TCS is one of those companies which also respects the employees' work-life balance. And it is much important. If you keep on growing in your age, later or sooner you will get experience these things, ki how the work-life balance is important in your company. So just come back to our main topic, why TCS is laying off 12,000 employees. Many of the people often misunderstand as a sign of the weakness in the company, like they remain invisible in the project and they even not showing their visibility to deliver the solution timely to the client, and they even being available, they are literally getting dragged by the managers. This is the one of the reason for which the TCS has taken this action to lay off the employees from its company. If people are still remain invisible and also delay in response over within their shift hours, and we keep on pinging them on the Teams channel, they always gives reply 5 to 6 hours ahead. Do you really think TCS should bear all these type of employees without taking any action on it? Do you really think? आप बताइए कि अगर आपके घर में भी कोई काम कर रहा है एंड स्टिल इफ द पर्सन इज गेटिंग पेड बाय यू, और जो कोई भी अपनी अवेलेबिलिटी प्रोवाइड नहीं कर रहा है, सो डू यू रियली थिंक कि वी शुड टॉलरेट दीज टाइप ऑफ पीपल इन आवर होम? TCS is one of those companies who keeps on investing to upskill their employees, but problem arises when people are already too much rigid with their technology and do not adapt with the new technology. So in this case, what do you think? The organization keep these employees or just replace them with the talented and those deserving employees who are actually upskilled and the future of the organization, who can give their significant amount of efforts to deliver the project within expected deadline? तो अगर कंपनी अपने एंड से कोई पॉलिसी निकाल रही है, सो व्हाट्स रॉन्ग इन दिस? पीपल कीप्स ऑन पोस्टेड लाइक कि यार ये कंपनी है एंड इधर जॉब सिक्योरिटी पहले थी, एंड नाउ द प्रॉब्लम is that ki if TCS is completely at the stage for removal of this policies, and now the employees are getting shocked. So इसमें shock उन्हीं को होना चाहिए who are not able to approve their work in the projects. And being a proud TCS employee, I can just showcase you my most of the recognition what I have achieved from my managers, my leads. I have been recognized for the best project contribution award. So even though I have switched my skills, I was too much technical, and after that I changed my skill from the technical to the management, since I recently got my MBA done from one of the most reputed institute. So I think if TCS is laying off those employees who are not contributing to the world, who are remaining invisible in the project, who really don't want to showcase their visibility. I have experienced personally कि अगर even how people actually misusing this job security policy. तो अगर TCS ने ऐसा किया है, सो आई थिंक इट्स नॉट रॉन्ग. आई थिंक देयर शुड बी द वैल्यूएबल एफर्ट्स गिवन बाय द employee who is working for the organization, and the honesty towards the work should be existing in the organization if you are actually a good employee, if you are actually a loyal employee for the organization. And keep upskilling yourself if you are working in the IT sector. It's not like that if you are keep on rigid with the technologies, and when company is offering you the platform to upskill yourself and you are not even getting yourself adapted with the new technologies, then in that case what company should do? If you are refraining yourself from adapting in the new technologies, then what company should do? Then company will launch their new policies on basis of which they will keep on sidelining you. Companies is always looking forward to cost cutting, and they always think to have a very limited resource with which they can get the things delivered to the clients. But TCS is not one of those companies. Actually cost cutting is fine, but TCS ने अगर 12,000 का भी lay off निकाला, it is still very limited, because TCS is already has a 6 lakh employees who have been hired over the years, and now what level of the contribution has been given by them वो किसी को नहीं पता है. So I would say कि yes, अगर if you really want to stay in one of the company in a long run, then you have to keep upskilling yourself. If in fact if you are still working hard and you are giving your 100% contribution to the project and not able to get that level of achievement that what you deserve, then I would say you should just speak up. You should raise your voice to get your achievement, because within 3 years I just and my promotion got initiated. Within 3 years I keep on receiving a good hikes from the TCS. It's not like here even if I would say unlike from other MNCs, I started my career from one of those MNCs that held up the hikes for 3 years. So do you really think that TCS ने ऐसा किया है? No, because people keep on making fun of this company, and I mean because it has become a trend कि लाओ यार अगर कोई भी MNCs ऐसी नहीं मिल रही है कि जिसके बारे में हम ट्रॉल कर सकते हैं, let's start trolling TCS, because it is already in a bad book, so we can troll this company anytime they want. But TCS is one of those companies that respect employees work life, but also provides the friendly work environment that actually other companies doesn't do. Because I have been experienced from 3 of the biggest MNCs. I have been worked and I keep on working. But why people अगर इतनी problem है तो why they do stay in the same company over the 10 or 15 years? अगर TCS में people are giving 10 to 15 years, so why they are giving in TCS only? क्योंकि हम लोग तो सिर्फ अभी are believing in stupid rumors ना. If somebody really want to start its career, because this is the best company that offers you the best platform to upskilling yourself, and also it keeps on boosting your career. If you really want to keep on growing in the TCS, then you have to be most honest and loyal with respect to even your thoughts, with respect to even your skill. Whatever the work you are delivering in your company from your end, you have to be very too much remain in a limelight that you are working on it, and this is being delivered from your end. The work has been done by you. Just start taking credit, just start speaking up for yourself. Otherwise nobody, because in millions crowd, nobody is going to recognize you. Nobody. So here this is I would say ki, yeah, if TCS is laying off, I think not only 12,000, if TCS had decided to lay off the people, it could have go above the 12,000 employees, because it's a very limited count, because people those who are not too much deserving for their profile and a job, and who doesn't want to, and who are not able to just give the significant amount of time to their work. So I don't think they literally deserve to be a part of this organization. So why not to TCS bring this type of policies in organization to replace the other outsiders who are actually need this job. who can become a future of the organization. So what's your thought on this? Please just share your thoughts in the comment section. I would wish for all of you to get great future. And also, you know what, in order to achieve something you have to decide your goal. If you have one of the goal that has been decided in your life, so nobody can refrain you from achieving your goal. But actually you should have one goal set यार. You just set your one goal कि यार मैंने ये चीज़ करनी है, मुझे IT सेक्टर में भी जाना है, तो किस लिए जाना है. अगर मेरे से टेक्निकल नहीं होता है, सो आई हैव स्विच ओवर मैनेजमेंट, कि मेरे को जितना बात करना मुझे बहुत पसंद है यार. आई लव कम्युनिकेटिंग विद पीपल, विद क्लाइंट. आई लव इट. सो दैट्स वाई आई जस्ट मूव फ्रॉम द टेक्निकल टू management. For that I just followed up the path, followed up the direction, and I just thank to my all the mentors in TCS itself. They have showed me the great path through which I just achieve my goal, achieve my desires. I'm so thankful for that, and I'm so grateful. And so I hope you guys understand. तो यार just stop spreading rumors about this company, क्योंकि टाटा रतन जी, he was the legend. और यू नो उन्होंने जो इस्टेब्लिश किया है अपना ब्रांड, सो प्लीज़ एटलीस्ट जस्ट उनकी खातिर प्लीज़ डू नॉट स्प्रेड द फेक रूमर्स. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. एंड if you guys need any help regarding online MBA programs and you know anything else, if you really don't have don't have the clarity in your career path, how you guys can get into the MNC, how you can get the job, so you guys anytime just reach out to me, and just you can mention your contacts in your comment section, so that I can reach out to you and can guide you how you can get into the organization, and you would be able to get your dream job. Even not in only these MNCs, like any MNCs. And हर की एक भी यार ख्वाहिश होती है कि हम इस वाली कंपनी में काम करें, उस वाली कंपनी में काम करें. बट आई वुड से कि यार I think there are many MNCs, and Infosys, I also got the offer from Infosys, but Infosys is one of those company who I think उन लोगों को जो है किसी का इंटरव्यू लेना नहीं चाहिए, because they literally wasted my time on interviewing myself when it comes to the offer releasing, and they were providing me only the 4% of the hike यार, only 4% of the hike. तो do you really think कि यार हम लोग सिर्फ TCS को लाइमलाइट में किए हुए हैं, एंड वी आर जस्ट इग्नोरिंग अदर ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु आर गिविंग द वर्स्ट हाइक. इवन हाइक तो छोड़ दो यार, अगर इफ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू रियली मूव फ्रॉम their current organization to the organization, so should they just provide this level of hike to the deserving employee? Do you really think? नहीं ना. तो इसीलिए I think जहाँ भी हो आप, you are on the better place, or always just keep growing yourself instead of believing all such rumors कि यार ये ऐसी कंपनी है, वो वैसी कंपनी है. If you really want to grow your career in TCS itself, then just you should get the right contact, how you can just boost your future, how you can uplift your skills. It's up to you what type of society you choose in all over the organization. Not in organization यार, outside as well. The society impacts you too much. Managers, आपको कहीं भी अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार this manager can just spoil your future, अगर this manager can become a barrier, then sideline the manager. You don't have to यार कंपनी में don't just, you have to change your vision यार. You are getting paid by the organization, not by individual person who can कि जो आपके ऊपर चीज़ें इम्पोज कर सके. एंड येस आई नो कि ऑल द MNCs like managers are nothing here. Too much managers are really hypocrite, and how would say यार कि थोड़े से होते हैं. बट you should choose the path which is better for you, even though but touch wood, I'm so grateful that I have a good managers in my project, and I am totally agree with all the fact on which I'm being aligned. So it's because I just switched 3 of the projects within the same organization, but my current manager is a much better manager, and I think I'm so grateful. So agar you guys find any problem, so companies no one has owned the company. It's up to you. Everyone has right to get themselves deployed in the dedicated skill what exactly they deserve for. तो it's not like कि यार कि आप जो है कि किसी पे इस तरीके से किसी का वो करो, करियर स्पॉइल करो. एंड इट्स ऑल्सो फॉर दोज मैनेजर्स हु आर एक्चुअली स्पॉइलिंग द करियर फॉर द अदर्स एम्प्लॉयज़. प्लीज़ जस्ट डू नॉट डू दिस, बिकॉज हर बच्चा या हर एम्प्लॉय एंड एवरीबडी कम्स इन वन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जॉइन्स द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विद इट्स ड्रीम, or they actually look forward to do something big in the organization when they get the platform over which they can prove themselves. Sometimes it happens they don't have platform. If the company is providing them platform, please at least respect their skills and respect their technicality. So I'm so happy कि आज मैंने अपनी चीज़, मन की चीज़ डिलीवर कर ली. So if the company ensures the efficiency and fairness in the organization by replacing those employees who are actually not worth for the company, and by replacing the employees by good people, actually the talented people outside the organization who really need this job, then I think this is the best policy and I respect this policy. So please just stop spreading these rumors. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and the like button. Thank you so much.